Okay, down here we'll create a class, the IO service class, just like this, very simple. And here we'll have a variable of type DIO. Let's say DIO equals DIO. And here let's create a base option where we're gonna have all sort of parameters or settings for our APIs. So let's say receive status data 1, even when status is error. Let's say true. Base URL, we're gonna copy paste it from here. This is the base URL. Let's say like this. And after that, connect timeout. Let's now define the timeout time, the connect timeout. Let's say duration, it's gonna be in minutes. Let's say 3. Let's save. And here we're gonna define also the receive timeout, just like this, very simple. And here let's now, our interceptors will go down here. Let's add them here, and here we'll say we're gonna take only the name of this class, the interceptors class, and paste it just there, like this. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, down here we're gonna create a future function that we're gonna be calling every time we wanna make an API request. So let's say future, let's call it request, like this, and it's gonna take some parameters. The first one will be in the type of HTTP method that we wanna use. And here we'll also have the path. Let's say string path, and the last one will be data, because if it's a post or a put or a patch, we're gonna have some data for the body. Yeah, it's gonna be dynamic. Let's say data, like this. Okay, here we'll have the async keyword, like this. We're gonna also have try catch because it's a future. And here let's say response results. And here let's say await the IO, our variable. And here I'm gonna say requests. Yeah, the first thing will be the path, and after that we're gonna also have some options, just like this. So the method that will be passed from the parameter, let's say to string, and then we can split it, and the separator will be the points. We're gonna take the last item, just like this, very simple. The headers will be, let's say, accept application JSON. Let me copy this one. So the second one will be the contents type. Let's make this application. yeah, like this. So the last one will be the data. You know, if it's a post or a put or a patch request, we're gonna need to pass some data for the body.